Gold, the precious metal that has shaped the history of human economy for thousands of years. What would the world be like without gold? Let's explore 5 key facts about gold in the economy. First, absolute rarity. Gold is not only beautiful but also durable, malleable, and resistant to oxidation. More importantly, it is extremely rare. Although the estimated gold reserves reach tens of thousands of billions of tons, most of it lies deep underground and is nearly impossible to extract. Second, gold, the world's currency. Since ancient times, gold has been used as currency. Its peak was in the 19th century gold standard system, effectively controlling inflation. However, due to its inflexibility, the system collapsed in 1971, marking the beginning of the fiat currency era. Third, gold, a safe investment tool. No longer an official currency, gold remains a top safe haven asset. It is easy to trade, protects against inflation, and is accessible to small investors. With just a few million dong, you can own gold, something impossible with real estate. Fourth, rising gold prices, an economic signal. Gold prices often rise with geopolitical instability, a weakening USD, and economic crises. When market confidence declines, capital flows into gold, but this also limits investment in production and business. Fifth, controlling gold prices, economic stability. Governments use various measures, such as raising interest rates and releasing gold into the market, to regulate prices. If gold prices rise too sharply, only a few investors benefit, while the overall economy faces difficulties. So, is gold truly the king of the economy? Share your thoughts on future gold prices in the comments.